Hello everyone.
One,
Hey,
two,
guys.
1, 2. Good afternoon. Hey.
Hello Thomas.
Ugh. How you doing, Punanis?
Hey, Thomas,
And you?
Busy at the moment, huh?
you
Sorry?
remembered us.
Yes, mate. Yeah, I'm super busy. Like managing a whole flat renovation, running 3 businesses, being a dad, being a husband. What else? Just being so fucking cool as well and funny. I don't even know how do I manage this.
Yes. And you're good looking, man. And you're
Well, I would argue with that. Once at the airport, the border control guy asked me, looked at my passport photo, looked at me, and he asked me like, "What happened?" he let me pass. He's just like, "Yeah, you go. You know, life already screwed you."
enough problems. You got
Yeah.
enough problems. Go away.
I saw the pity in his eyes. Okay. Let me just finish my coffee. I ordered some very nice ceramic things from Germany. Villeroy and Boch. Have you heard about that?
Yes. Famous.
It's expensive, but it's
Yes.
good.
Yes.
Anyway, they had 20% discount on the website, and I wrote to the web shop like, okay, what if I buy, in bulk, like a full 12 set cutlery and plates and everything? Can you give me more discount? The guy was like, yeah, all right.
That's why you're so wealthy.
Mate, you gotta
That's-
grab every single penny. You have to be... there are the Jewish and the Scottish jokes. You don't have to be that much, but it's a good direction.
No. Spend less is a good.
Yep, it's always...
It's
Every
good.
single time I go into the shop, I ask them, can you give me a discount?
Yes. Me too.
Once I was
But in
buying
the
a
Bentley shop,
pair...
but in the Bentley shop, they told me go away.
Ew. Nah. Once I went to buy some jeans, and there was a very young shopkeeper. Well, the girl who was selling. I can't speak English today. So anyway, so the girl who was behind the counter, and I guess I want these trousers. I want these jeans. I asked her like, "That's the one on 50% discount today, right?" And she was like, "Oh, is it?" I was like, "Yeah, it is." And she gave me 50% discount.
Oh, you're fronting. You're fronting.
That's unbelievable. And I was like, I felt sorry. Like, should I tell her that it was just a joke? I didn't tell her. I'm just like,
The day after she loses her job because of you.
well, she gotta learn life is not easy. So I was just helping in that one as well.
Joking, bro.
Anyway, good to see you guys again. Let's analyze gold and all the other markets. Now, yesterday it was Nvidia earnings, but the market hasn't moved much, did it? Testing, is anyone else here in the Zoom, or just Adrian and Yanar?
I'm here also.
Good afternoon.
Hello.
Afternoon, Tomasz.
Hi Thomas, how are you?
Hello. Hello, lads. How you doing?
All good, mate. Good.
Very good.
Greetings from Ghana.
Kwabu. How you doing, brother? Where are you calling in from?
I'm from Ghana.
Ghana. That's exotic.
Yes.
Welcome. So,
Thank you very much.
let's have a look in today's economic calendar, because we have some news today, finally. Today, we have something called Does Jobless Claims. Oh shit, and we have the GDP as well.
Yep.
Damn it. Okay. Nothing to worry. We have 18 minutes to do a full analysis. Do you think we can do it?
Yep.
Absolutely. Okay. So what is the current market sentiment? Because we're starting with the big picture. What is the current market sentiment among investors and traders? What drives the markets? What do they think?
Tariffs.
Mm-hmm.
Geopolitical tensions through countries and war.
Think about the U.S. economy and what is the general perception about monetary policy? About did the market react to, inflationary data? How did it react to inflationary data, if it did?
That inflation remains still quite high in the US, and they are looking to, at some point, reduce interest rates.
Mm-hmm.
And we need, I think yesterday, if the Trump had the briefing, then he was saying at least 1 million people have answered the message who working in the for government. Then it's possible they start to fire them soon. At least 1 million.
A lot of people already fired and will be fired in the United States. So from this perspective, we can start working on the first data, which is going to be jobless claims. Now, in normal market condition, if we have significantly higher jobless claims, imagine that how many people will be fired from the government or already fired. So imagine if we have significantly higher jobless claims in normal market condition, how is it affecting gold, dollar, and indices?
It will be bearish for dollar, bullish for gold, and bearish for indices.
Yeah, a lot of uncertainty. So, yeah.
Yeah. So
fear and everything. Yeah.
Significantly higher jobless claims. It's bearish for the dollar. I like that. Bearish for stocks. And was it bullish for gold?
Yeah, hypothetically speaking.
Okay. There you go. I like when you think, guys, and I like when you do the analysis. So I'm not gonna ask you about the other scenario because we all know that lower jobless claims is going to have the opposite effect. It's deflationary. Oh, sorry, I need to change. Okay, it's changed. Okay, so in case of higher jobless claims, we should see gold going up, indices going down, and in this case, I'm going to pick US 30. It's completely the opposite as gold. So US 30 should go south.
Thomas, what about the NASDAQ 100 and Nvidia?
I don't want
news?
to talk about, well, I don't want to talk about NASDAQ because this news is more relevant for US 30. With the NASDAQ news, nothing happened, so there's not much to say. The market is resilient against, I think the okay, I didn't want to go into this one, but I think it's investors are more resilient and they shook off the DeepSeek threat. Nvidia reported good earnings, but not as good as they were expecting. It's still over the moon, but not over the universe as they delivered previously. So NASDAQ hasn't moved too much since yesterday.
Okay, yeah.
But today,
Yeah, I saw it.
today I think let's focus on US 30 because it's closer to the real economy. That's why I picked US 30 instead of NASDAQ. And we got 14 minutes to go. Okay, in case of lower jobless claims, US 30 should go higher. in theory.
Thomas, yesterday I took a NAV trade for the first time. I took a buy actually from the bottom, just below that really sharp wick that came up. So I'm holding by. I don't know if I should take it out, if I should just leave it in for the news.
I should
Mate?
make account.
Well
Any
done.
recommendations?
You lost your NASDAQ virginity. No, not today. I think just do what your heart tells you to do. Listen to your heart. And ask your bank account. Can you afford to lose money? Anyhow, going back to gold. Let's see the dollar index. How is it doing? Dollar index looking very, very bearish. I think it might going to continue down. That's... You see how the market is moving sideways now? It's waiting for jobless claims and PC data, but it can go either way. I would say dollar is gonna go down. If the jobless claims is higher or lower. Dollar goes down if jobless claims higher or lower?
Yeah. Higher.
Higher jobless claims. Yep. Oops. Because if the Fed starts holding interest rate higher for longer, it's going to be super bearish for the dollar. But of course, we have way too many other factors in play. And we can't say at this time that correlation is causality. But in normal, that's why I asked you, in normal market conditions, how would gold, dollar, and indices react? Let's look at the forecast, which is set to be higher on the continuing level and also higher on the initial level. And I think we can all agree that it's most likely going to be significantly higher or just higher because of all the firings that's happening in the government right now. So in that scenario, if we have a higher jobless claims, gold should pump back to the pivots. And I think we're going to, I wouldn't say gold to 3,000 and, you know, all that brave assumptions, because so many things happened since, you know, the beginning of the week or last week. But generally speaking, gold is in a downtrend for multiple reasons. It can always go back to all-time high, but this is going to be the first resistance which it needs to break through. And I think if we have a higher jobless claims, if it's really, really high, like crazy high, you never seen high before, then gold is going to revisit the all-time high because of fears of a bad recession.
I'm just going back on what you said about dollar. If they hold rates for higher for longer, then you said it's bearish. Is that because of fears of recession?
The higher jobless claims is going to be
no.
bearish. No, on the assumption. Well, if it's significantly high, like crazy high, then yes, dollar is going to pump because dollar is going to dump.
Yeah. No, I was saying, you said if the Fed holds rates higher for longer, it's bearish for dollar.
Yes.
How is it bearish?
Because they're going to hold interest rate higher for longer, and currently the interest rate is around 4.1%, 4.2%, 4.25%. So it's guaranteed fixed income. It's a carry trade. So if investors borrow, or traders borrow in Japanese yen at 0.10%, they get a loan, ultra low, they invest it in US government bonds, simple carry trade.
So it's bullish, no?
No. It's the opposite.
But if they're investing in government bonds, then
in a
isn't that
way, yeah, but they have to exchange the dollar first to Japanese yen. So that cancels out the government bond buying.
Right, okay. Okay.
Thomas, I have a question.
Go on.
Like the Trump was speaking yesterday, they're gonna release the golden tickets in 2 weeks. That's mean the if people wanna become the US citizen, they need to pay $5 million. Of gonna impact gold and dollar.
So can you just repeat? They're going to do what?
Release the golden tickets.
What's the
It's
golden
like
tickets?
like the Malta have, like become the citizen.
Trump came with the golden tickets for the I think for the students.
No,
No.
Let
When
me
you pay
explain.
five
Let me explain. Trump is offering for investors for an amount of $5 million
Ah,
to get
the
a
visa
golden
scheme.
visa, like
Yeah.
in green card. He
Yeah.
will suck in a lot of investors to build something over there.
It
Understand?
was also about the best students getting out of college at the leaving country.
Yeah,
You
but
can keep them.
that's a different theme, brother. That's a different theme.
No,
Okay.
it's same.
Golden-
It's same. Like Apple
It's the
wanna
same,
get
right?
students in work for them, they're gonna pay 5 million for students.
Sorry, guys.
too.
I have
Correct.
to stop. Are we going to make this conversation relevant to the data?
No.
It
We
was
can
question
continue
about
after.
the-
Yes.
Yeah. So if it's not relevant, because literally we have how many minutes?
8.
6 minutes and 52 seconds, and I had no chance to prepare. Yeah, if it's not relevant, let's keep it after the data release, because we also have GDP. If we have significantly higher GDP, how is it going to affect gold?
Bearish.
Bearish.
Bearish because GDP, if it's stronger than expected, then it signals an expansion of growth in the United States.
Yep, absolutely. I think we're going to see a pump and dump type of scenario today. That just a guess. Well, not a guess, but basically we have too many strong resistance at this price level and too bearish market structure recently. Yeah, I think that's what we're going to see. Or just simply melt from the current price level. Not many news around the tariffs, is there? Or it's relatively quiet.
Yeah, he's pushed them back, hasn't he, till March or April?
April, I think.
April or something like that. Yeah.
2nd of April. Thomas,
Hello?
is possibly the durable good orders gonna start to be now bigger impact if before, like we know the Trump the factories in USA back.
Can you repeat, please?
Durable goods orders.
Durable
possible
goods
that-
orders.
Yeah. Like we know the Trump wanna be factories back to USA. So maybe gonna have a bigger impact. No one.
It's actually
Because
it's actually pretty good that you mentioned that. It is wise.
Like here the Apple or someone gonna invest 500
Most likely
in
durable
USA.
goods orders are going to significantly increase because all the companies who are affected because of the tariffs, they're going to order as much as possible, as many things as possible, huge inventories to fill up the inventories before the tariffs kick in.
That might be key, actually.
Okay, we have 3 minutes and 15 seconds. I don't have any front running positions. I'm just going to wait. I'm just going to wait. Let me put some music on. Those of you interested to join the Alpha community, you know where to find me. Go to alphafx.eu/purchase. Let me find some music because we got 2 minutes.
Yeah.
And by the way, this morning we caught how many pips? 100 pips already. That's why I don't have any front running positions. I think we made good profit in the morning, so I just walked away. As soon as I hit that 120 pips, I walked away.
Take that money and run away.
Absolutely. It's way too risky to leave the money on the table. I've learned the hard way.
Sure. Yeah, sure.
Like my account was above 150, 1 or 2,000 pounds. I didn't take it. I was like, oh, it must go lower or higher. Fuck me. Ended up with 149. Still good. At 1 minute, 44 seconds to go. And I'm going to share. Can you see both of my screens?
Yes. TV and
Okay.
Meta.
It's high tech.
Okay.
This is high tech, brother.
The best for the best, innit?
Thank you, bro.
Okay, we got 57 seconds to go. Still no front running positions. Truth to be told, we made good money this morning on the sells from the pivots. There's no rush. But if I had to choose, I would be selling. But I want price to come a little bit higher, and of course, depending on the data.
Technically, we have a very interesting setup at 28 to 98. On the 1 hour and 2 hour, there are a lot of confluences, and
Yeah.
placed and sell limit at this level. Very interesting on the 1 hour and 2 hour chart.
If you look at the screen, there's loads of resistance over there.
Yes.
And ladies and gentlemen, Thursday jobless claims coming up in 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And DAS jobless claims came out. Not yet. Well, it's actually lower. The continuing, the initial is significantly higher. So let's see how the market is going to react. Is it going to, well, I think significantly higher jobless claims. PC prices came out quite inflationary. GDP in line with expectation. So deflationary on the jobless claims. Let's think about it for a second. Let's have a look on the yields. Don't want to rush into any conclusions. But yields hasn't moved. Quite muted.
On the jobless claims, there's a possibility that all those federal employees got the 9-month or the 7-month payoff type thing to where they won't be filing until after that time.
Okay. Could be. But do you think everyone is gonna get it? Is it complimentary for everyone or mandatory?
It depends on where they were at. Some of the bigger ones that got fired, you don't know. And the way unemployment works, you can't really claim it if you lose your job according to your own actions, and being fired is one of them. that being said, it's hard to say how they're going to interpret it or whether 9 months down the road you're going to get something like that.
True. I entered into a sell. Not sure if it's going to be the right choice, but looking at the market structure and the initial reaction, and considering that how the market, the previous market or price action or market structure, I would be more keen to sell today at this price level. If it comes back to the pivot, that will be my second entry. But for now, I'm going to aim some very reasonable profit, maybe down 28.77, so it's like 70 or 100 pips.
This US 30, right?
No, gold.
Oh no, also I'm assuming. So.
Yeah, let's have a look on US 30. US 30 with the significantly higher initial jobless claims hasn't moved too much. It should decrease because the higher the unemployment, the less people have the purchasing power, because you can't really shop around from the unemployment check or with the unemployment check. Oh, dollar is very muted, guys. I think it's a very muted market today. New York Open is going to bring in all the juice. Let's delete this one. Okay, running in 20 pips of profit.
Very nice.
Sheer luck, to be honest. All I did is I followed the initial direction, which was a sell-off.
Yes.
I had a second thought, because if you look at the trading view screen, you see the downward channel. It's at the very bottom, so that's why I said if it comes down 70 or 80 pips, then I'm gonna take the money. I'm not going to leave it on the table. USD Japanese yen. Alex wanted. Yeah, USD Japanese yen. It's flat. UJ is absolutely flat, disgustingly flat. Looking at and now it's pulled back gold. No good.
It's hitting up against last week's low.
Yeah, it's moving sideways. There's a dirty range die down here. Oh God. Do you know what's my opinion about range trading?
Buy low, sell high.
Get
Go drink a beer.
Yeah, get the F out of, if it moves, if it moves in a range. No, it's not my type.
But the last 3 days, it seems like to be ranging, but at the significant points, it moves very well. I do very well. The team doing very well in Asian session and during the day. Wasn't that bad,
Yeah, it's only bad for me because I can't trade ranges.
Yesterday you made 240 pips.
340.
Who
Who counts? But if I have, just let's be.
Bastard.
It was 340.
I can't range blah 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 me.
I'm a liquidity provider when I trade ranges.
Yes.
Yeah, with the hedgings.
It's a good one.
Please pay the bill in the restaurant. I do it next time, please.
Oh, I love you guys.
Really Scottish.
Anything about NASDAQ, brother? NASDAQ? I don't know, to be honest. It didn't react the way I was expecting yesterday. And once the market doesn't give me, if I have a bias on any asset, And if there's a data release or earnings release or anything related to that specific asset I'm trading, and if I have my scenario analysis with biases, and if the market doesn't move into either direction, I just step back and don't do anything. And NASDAQ hasn't done anything yesterday, so I step back and I just watch.
I think the DAX, the German index, is ready for a sell, I think.
Well, we had a structure break. We had an all-time high, a retest.
Yes.
So technically speaking, price action, I do 100% agree that it's very ripe for a sell.
Yes.
Oops. Yeah. But fundamentally speaking, no idea. Gold is moving sideways, ain't doing anything.
The DAX makes no sense because the economy in Germany is not that well like the index is talking, you know? One all-time high after another, and it makes no sense.
It doesn't make sense, but this is actually something that you mentioned. I noticed this like 15 years ago, the exact same thing, and I asked one of the I was doing my masters, and I asked one of the university lecturers, like, why is the stock market booming when the whole economy is crashing? He was like, because that stock market is something virtual, something, you know, to do with the companies, and it's not the representation of the whole real economy. There are sectors and indices which do represent, but if you look at the general stock market, they said it's nothing to do with the economy. There is causalities. Yeah, and because the market is looking into the future, sometimes you can, you know, if the economy is doing very well, sometimes, you know, it does sell off, but most of the time it's just so fucking perverse that the stock market is going up and investors making money while the whole economy is burning.
Szia, Tamás.
Szia, Gary. Oh shit, I forget to write an email to someone. Oh, you just reminded me, Gergu.
You need an assistant, brother.
Yes, very much indeed. Milo is going into kindergarten next week, so it's going to be a 10-day, 10-day, how do you call it? So, yeah. So my wife's going to go in with him for 10 days, on and off. And
it's expensive down there in England, the daycare.
In England is yes.
Yeah, I know.
In Hungary it's no.
Also. Yeah.
It's free. It's weird because in Western Europe you pay more than your salary.
Germany is also free, right? Germany.
Yes.
Yeah, Germany is free. I know.
Depends on the income. It depends on the income.
Yeah, correct.
Okay, I need to write an email.
Good. Should we buy gold now?
Valid?
Maybe the bottom is now in on the 50-minute.
Buy above 28.96, I think.
Sorry?
28.96. I'm not going to buy until it's above 28.96.
Yes, I'm looking for sells around 28.98. This is juicy setups for me.
I guess it depends on momentum, right? Volume
Yes,
and momentum.
yes. I'm only waiting. I'm sitting there and waiting because News on Thursdays doesn't affect the market that much, in my opinion. This is
There's also like a demand zone down there at gold.
Mm.
Yeah, untested. You can be buying.
And when we break, Mike, the 29.0605 level, and we close above, then I'm looking for buys.
Did you say 28.89?
Yes, 28.89 on the 2 hour.
Yeah.
There is the 200 EMA and the fresh fair value gap.
Oh yeah.
I think it's enough to follow the trend, to push a little bit more down, grab liquidity. And that's my view on the market at the moment, because the news doesn't affect the gold at the moment, Mike, you know? And then I'm only looking for technicals, only.
Yeah.
Yeah, me too. Only technicals.
I traded down during Asia and after Asia, and then when we hit, you know, the weekly support at 28.92, I put in a buy, and then it screwed me and came down again. So I spent some time making money, and then I lost some money.
Yes, I called the buy at 28.79 because there's the 21 EMA on the daily time frame. Zero drawdown, 150 pips instant. Yes, and I'm watching multiple time frame because I'm looking for confluences at different time frames, Mike.
I love your German accent. It's so sexy.
Better and better and better, you know.
Yeah. Yeah, good job.
My wife is German, so I'm comfortable with that accent.
Ja?
Ja.
Schatzi.
Wirklich? Ja, wirklich?
Ja, meine Frau ist from Dresden.
Dresden. Ah, sehr gut. Wunderbar.
East.
Das ist
Germany.
super. Das ist
super. Das ist geil, oder?
Das ist ein gut Mädchen.
Super.
Und Dresden?
Dresden, ja. Ja, es
gibt andere Frauen hier.
Oh.
Sprichst du Deutsch?
Ja, klar.
Oh,
ich bin so gut wie
Überraschung! Dort sprechen sie Deutsch.
Wie schön. Yeah, my wife is from East Germany. Yeah.
Und ich komme aus Köln.
Ah, Köln. Köln
really?
Mehr,
no,
yeah.
I'm joking. I've lived in Cologne and Düsseldorf. So I'm British.
It's not so far from the Netherlands.
Very close. Yeah, we used to drive across easily. Yeah.
Used to live 30 years in the Netherlands.
Nice.
Adrian, waar bist du? Waar woonst du?
I'm living in Dubai, Elvin.
Ah, that's better.
Adrian's got the life, huh?
Wow.
Yes.
Mamma mia.
I like it. I like it. My daughter likes it. My wife likes it.
Yeah.
I understand.
It's not
We are living now in the Caribbean. Me and my wife and the
in the
kids.
Caribbean?
Yeah.
Nice.
Bonaire, the island of Bonaire, you know Bonaire?
Yeah.
It's
Never heard
Aruba, Curacao, Bonaire. It's a diverse island. Yeah.
Do you work in finance, Alvin? Or accounting? Do you work in finance or accounting?
No, I work more in the tech, more IT guy.
Ah, okay.
Yeah.
I thought you do that money laundering and all that. And...
Yeah.
Yeah, I do it on the side hustle.
Okay.
This is for the Caribbean islands. There's a new business.
Side hustle, Thomas.
It's all about passports now, Elvin, huh? In the Caribbean.
Oh, sure,
Yes,
yeah.
the passport team is a big
IDs, passports.
Yes, IDs, passport. Everybody want to move to the Caribbean,
I heard, yeah.
Yes.
By the way, you guys need a passport?
Yeah, but for me,
I need a
maybe-
bank account, but let's
No, I-
discuss
Yeah.
that in you know offline.
I want to throw my German passport in the garbage. I think this is the next
My
step.
wife still.
Yeah, you're supposed
wife
to
still
drop the
has-
advertisement about the Caribbean passports yesterday. I just bought the gold card from Trump, for fuck's sake, mate.
Who?
The gold card when Trump is crazy, man. Wow.
Yes, safe heaven. It's like gold.
He's probably targeting 10 million people just to clear the United States debt, man.
But he also made a deal with Ukraine, right? Got all this.
You're talking about the minerals there.
Yes.
Tomorrow they're gonna sign that. Yeah.
He's done a
It's
robbery there, but like
Yeah, I
soft
do
robbery.
believe this United
Well,
States.
he's going to bring
he
freedom and
just made the
democracy.
red ball on Ukraine.
Also, but he wants something for it.
No, he's bringing democracy and freedom to Ukraine.
For Zelensky is completely.
Jesus.
He's
Have a look at
billionaire.
US.
Zelensky is a billionaire now.
Oh, US 30 sell, US 30 sell, US 30 sell.
Yeah.
US 30
What do you
sell?
think? What do you think? What do you think?
I'm selling it. Man.
You're selling it.
Maybe not yet. Who knows?
I'm
Anyhow,
buying UG. I'm selling
it's late now.
EU, selling.
It's
Dow
looking good,
Jones.
but where's your take profit? 43,250.
What are you talking, Adrian? GU.
No, US 30.
US 30.
US
US 30.
30. I'm targeting 42,370.
That's your TP?
Yeah, it's a swing, mate. Man. I'm sitting already since yesterday.
Okay, it's a good choice.
Yeah,
Very good choice.
take it. So we're gonna invest some sheikh money, yeah, and I'm gonna move to Dubai to a flat.
Oh, come to the Caribbean, man.
And after we're gonna take all the sheikhs and go to the Caribbean.
Yeah,
The
come.
Blue
You guys are
Lagoon.
welcome. You guys are welcome.
The only thing I'm gonna bring
I
is
send you in
gin
DM,
cream
Edwin. I send you in DM later.
and 1 Bitcoin.
Gold to drop. What?
Different.
Yeah.
10 minutes for closure of the 2-hour candle. I'm waiting for that. When we engulf the last candle, then I'm go for the buy. And when we close about the S2,
But as you said, Adrian, before,
On
the price found the dynamic support on the 21 EMA, so it's need to break it now. That's
Wow,
why.
the
I know,
US
I know,
30.
I know,
US
Alex.
30 is
I know.
selling.
That's why
You're gonna buy gold, Adrian?
I think about it at the moment, yes, because of the
Okay.
price action.
Oh, okay.
Because the 2-hour candle
Mm-hmm.
was a reverse candle at 12
Yeah, I
o'clock.
see it. Yeah. Yeah.
You know,
See it.
and then we
Yeah.
have the retest, and now we start to create some bullishness, in my opinion.
Yeah, I see it.
But maybe it's only a fake to my selling point. I have a pending order at 28.98. This is maybe from buy to sell, a quickie.
Yeah.
Doing a quickie.
A quickie. Eine schnelle.
Eine schnelle Nummer.
Eine schnelle Nummer, ja.
oh,
Oh, hey, Thomas, we're gonna start talking German now, I think.
Tamas, are you selling the US 30 now?
I'm still writing my email, and I have no idea. I
Thomas is
see
busy,
gold is. Yeah, I'm still writing my email. Trying to
Edwin.
join the conversation,
Yeah,
but it's
tell
not
me.
easy.
Look at the 2-hour candle now. He starts to engulf the last candle in gold.
US
Yeah,
30.
I'm gonna check now, yeah.
Yes.
Yeah.
Now it starts to engulf the last 2-hour
Oh,
candle.
yeah, I see it. Yeah, I see
Okay.
it. Yeah. Yeah. Whoa. touch
The last 2 hour candle.
Yes.
Mm-hmm. 8 minutes.
Yes, 8 minutes.
8 minutes for it to close.
And it tries to push above the 28.88.
Mm-hmm.
Also check the 12-hour candle.
But my TP is
9. My gold position. Oh, I get scared.
Okay, we have the confirmation.
Yep,
Endless
closing down.
Endless is buying gold. Endless
Yep.
is buying gold for scalp. Go in a buy.
Yeah, I'm going in. It hasn't dropped. Yep,
I'm
and
buying
now
gold now.
in for a buy. Thank you, Adrian. This is your
Close,
your shout out.
Close the cells.
Yes, close the cells.
Where do we put the TP, Adrian? TP? TP? Stop
20,
loss?
50 pips to 80 pips. I think it's okay.
Yeah.
9. I want
Adrian?
that.
What is the TP then?
100 pips.
100 pips.
100 pips. I want 178.
Normally I have to wait for the confirmation. but-
Shit, did I sell on US 30? No, I'm gonna go in on US 30 now.
With the sell, brother?
Yeah.
Did you see what I just sent, Tamash, into the
Yeah,
chat?
yeah, that's why I completely forgot about US 30, but I'm gonna go in with 12 lots in US 30.
Yeah.
Oh, US
Thank
30
you.
is going down.
It's not even market open.
Oh yeah, wow.
24/7 trading is coming on stocks. What do you think about that?
Oh, say that again.
24/7 trading.
24/7. Who's gonna New York Exchange open? It's gonna be on Sunday and Saturdays as well.
Yeah, like same as crypto.
But it's gonna be low volume then in the weekends.
Well, there will be volume from retail traders, but you would be surprised that because they tested it. I don't know how, but they tested it, and there's actually quite a good volume. It's not as big volume, of course, like when institutions and all the big boys coming in.
Going
but
up, guys.
Still reasonable, and if you want to lose money, doesn't matter if you have all.
Las Vegas Forex Casino.
Yeah. Hell yeah. Okay, US 30 dropping, all this going up. Fucking amazing. The A team.
Very nice.
Joint venture.
Thank you so much. Whoever said, I think it was Adrian and Manjit, to buy gold, you saved my day. And I'm going to be...
Adrian. I think Adrian said it.
Yeah.
Yeah.
He's good. I don't know why you guys are saying he's a good trader.
It's proper gold, Ziga.
Dude, Adrian, no, he's not.
I don't know.
Nah, Adrian's very
Ficky,
good.
Ficky?
Ficky?
I don't care what you guys say when he's not here. I think he's a good guy.
Oh, we're joking. It's a joke, Mike.
I know. I'm also kidding.
Yeah, but you see, he used to live under the bridge in Germany. Now he's on the top floor at Burj Khalifa.
Simon, thank you so much for saying. Shark Senior, why don't you come to the Zoom meeting? Why you comment on YouTube? But anyhow, Trump is about to give a speech, apparently. Anyone knows anything about it?
Talking every day.
No.
Nice, can be another
No.
business meeting.
Trump is gonna give me a heart.
Yeah, if Trump speaks, it's gonna good for the gold buys.
Yeah.
Euro USD is dropping like hell.
Oh yeah.
When I
That's
said-
not good for the gold.
Hi, when I said that, I thought Adrian was listening.
No, it wasn't it.
Yeah, that's so my joke fell flat.
I'm back now.
They were just
I'm
slandering
going
you,
for
mate.
my minus. I'm gaining now, Tamas, in the last 4 weeks, 3.8 of weight lean.
Oh,
I'm
I got
eating-
fat.
That is
Well
good.
done, brother.
I'm looking very strong now.
I need to unload furniture, mate. Can you come over and help me
With what?
with the furniture?
He would die. I mean, those guys who go to the gym, we die in real life. We can't lift heavy things. We can lift dumbbells and all that, but if we had to go to work to a construction site, we would fucking die.
Yeah.
I tell you what, I used to work in Manchester on a concrete factory. We used to feed the doors and windows for the leads, for the student accommodation. And I had a guy from Newcastle. He being like proper, like Schwarzenegger. But his performance used to be zero, no power at all.
Mm.
And I called him like calendar model guy.
Yeah.
This is a complete different theme to go in the gym or working on as a construction worker on the street road worker or something like that from Yugoslavia with hands like this, and the guys are strong as fuck, man. This is but a different strong, you know, Alex.
I know, mate. But since 30 years now, since whatever, 15 years already, I'm training only my stamina. I'm doing kettlebells, dumbbells,
Perfect.
push-ups, dips, boxing.
Yes.
That's it. 'Cause
Body weight exercises, huh?
yeah, kind of CrossFit, but I'm still managing, looking after my heart as well.
Mm-hmm. Good. How old are you?
43.
43. Yes, go for it. And do the cardio. It's the most important thing.
The cardio I'm doing every second night, mate.
Ah.
You get me, yeah?
Naughty boy, huh?
Here it is. My
I know what you
FX
mean,
book.
Alex.
Candle closure, 30 seconds.
Oh, all right. I go back. Sorry.
Horror candle. It's closing. Come on, push up.
Alex, we're still good on the buy?
You have to manage the trade a little bit more than I expected.
Yeah.
10 seconds for the closure. Looking good now. Yes, looking good. Looking good, looking good.
Oh, you're funny, Adrian.
I love
I
you
think it's
guys.
gonna drop.
You know it. I missed
Oh.
you for 3 weeks, man.
I know it's been a while.
You're killing the market all the time. 600 pips there.
We closed
Mr.
above, Adrian?
Huh?
We closed above, right?
Yes. The 4 is
Okay.
closing above the S2.
Okay, okay.
I think it's a good sign. But
Yeah.
who knows?
Thank you.
It's 100%, but I'm not sure.
I'm very
Brother.
sure, but who knows?
Evan is always trust me, brother. Okay?
You see it in your dream, Adrian.
Yes. What's wrong? Kai, what's wrong
You,
with your
you
hair?
never know. You never
What's
know.
wrong with your hair, bro?
I did.
You're wavy as fuck, man.
No, man, I know.
Crazy. Like the dogs, the small dogs with the dead rats. You know, the poodle. Poodle in Germany, it's called poodle. Sorry for that guy, but it's different.
Eine Hund.
Different style. Man.
He is fifth from Jackson's 5.
Why? Man.
Stop roasting
Hey,
him.
well-
Come on, he's only
Well,
16.
Adrian, your one is sharp, Adrian. You got a good cut in Saudi Arabia.
16.
No, what Saudi Arabia is in Dubai, Alvin. I'm in Dubai, and I cut my hairs off because it's very hot, and we are always in the gym or with my girl in the pool and something like that. And I have a longer hair with a lot of gel to style it to the back, and it makes no sense. And then I cut it off. Want to look
Well,
like
I
Thomas.
feel sorry for your problems, asshole.
For the pool. For the pool.
You just need to rub the eggs and the hairs start grow.
You know, living at the beach is different.
The bitches? Where are the bitches?
You know it, Elvin. You know it. You know it.
Yeah, I know everything about it.
Yep. I hate when sand goes in my ass. In my bikini.
You need a plow, mate.
Here we go. Here we go, Goldie. Here we go.
What did I receive?
Thomas, we need to
Oh
make
no,
everything
that's
on time
another
over there.
qualification from CISI.
Oh, congratulations.
Well done.
Mother tuckers.
What does that say you're qualified to do?
Huh? I have no idea, but I love these.
It's a paper.
A piece of paper, but it's worth a lot.
Nice. Nice. Hey, gold is pumping up. Yeah.
I'm gonna get
No,
a frame, and
don't-
I'm going to
Don't be
frame
so
it.
excited.
Well, Adrian, you're a full-time trader or you work?
Yes.
Ah,
Yes.
Nice.
Sometimes.
Yeah.
It's the hardest way to earn easy money, you know?
Oh yeah.
Trading.
Exactly.
But
That's
the
true.
group with Tamash and all the beautiful guys and women in this group helps me a lot, man.
That sounded
Yeah,
very
I'm
very
glad
nice, but also very gay.
Always.
No homo, no
Always.
FOMO. No homo, no FOMO, you know?
You know I have no problem, Adrian.
to
So,
join the
you know,
group.
we discussed this.
Did you say no homofomo?
Yes.
Fuck me, you guys.
This is Mike, you know this-
Oh,
no money, no punani, you know it?
Oh,
When I call
money,
this,
I know.
no money, no punani.
No money,
Oh,
no
here
love.
we
Yeah.
go.
gold is pumping, ladies and
Here we
gentlemen,
go.
Yeah, I see it.
Here we go.
Who is in?
Okay.
and
Who's
it's
in?
framed. Yay! We got it framed, and I need to hang it.
Okay. Danke, Adrian, for the.
Welcome, guys. Endless, give me the last confirmation. Endless have the same view. He's buy to sell, same like me.
Oh.
But guys, watch out at 90, 96, 97, 98. It's important, okay?
Let me show
Manage
you.
your
Let me
trades.
show you. Let me show you a MetaTrader.
I just got a alert from Truth Social saying Donald Trump makes major tariff announcement.
That's good for the gold longs.
Yeah.
Yes, perfect.
But not too high, please. Now I'm holding swings.
You're a swinger, Alex.
Yeah,
You're a
mate.
swinger.
No,
Not the German type swinger, like in
not my
you know,
wife. No.
not like in Kit Kat in Berlin
Yes.
type of
Ah,
swinger.
you know this. You know everything, huh?
You know
the
everything,
dirty spots.
Tamas. You were, wow.
You know the dirty. What's with the US30?
It's
Done.
Bitcoin is. But look at the. Have you looked at the dollar index on the DXY basket? The candle? Wow. Normally, gold have to watch
No.
out on the position.
No. If you look
Why?
at gold, and dollar recently,
Yes.
since Trump came into administration, they pretty much move in tandem most of the times because dollar is a safe haven now. So when Trump comes out and says something silly, as he always doing it, batty boy. Dollar goes up, and gold goes up as well because of the safe haven. So dollar shakes off the dollar. Sorry, gold shakes off the dollar leg in the equation of gold price. So it just completely ignores. Gold and dollar goes up, but of course correlation is not causality, and it will break down sooner or later. But recently, let me just show it on TradingView. If I put dollar index, add to compare.
It's massive.
Oh shit, look at the dollar index, it just spiked up.
I told you.
Yeah, but at the moment the dollar index is testing the daily imbalance.
Spiking.
Yeah. So it can reject from here as well.
So is it so good?
Kai, is the dollar spike an effect from the
Guys,
news?
sorry, I have to read it out. I have to read this out. Dragon on YouTube. I come to watch for trade ideas and profits. I stay watching for stream for life advice from Adrian.
Make sure you take the notes, take the notes.
Yeah. No honey, no money, no punani. That's the
Yes.
most important. That's why we
Gold
trade.
is,
To get the punani.
Gold is playing.
Adrian, okay?
Yes. Watch out the position.
Adrian,
Oh,
you said you were saying something before.
yes, Kai, it's a gold spike affected by the news, or because you're
Trump
Wait,
started talking already or not?
Wait, gold?
yeah, the spike
The
From-
spike on
from the DXY.
dollar? Okay,
Yes.
yeah. What about it?
It's an effect from the news. Is it affected by the news? This big spike?
Yeah, I'd assume so, yeah.
Okay.
But to be honest, Adrian, it's still maintaining bearish price actions, and it's at a nice level to go short on the dollar and long GU. To be honest with you, but it's a bit too risky for me to be honest.
I'm watching at the GU since Monday. I'm watching the GU. I'm looking for shorts, but it's only rising, the GU, you know? What's crazy? It's what's crazy. I'm looking for sells, but no confirmation for me, and that's why I'm staying out on the GU. And you are going for the buys. I saw it.
Yeah. I've been buying
I have-
since 2 weeks.
I have
now.
different buyers.
Trump says proposed tariffs on Mexico and Canada will go into effect March the 4th. So he delayed it from, was it February, the deadline, or something? March the 4th. But fuck me, that's next week, Tuesday.
Yep.
Damn
How
it.
much was into the Fort Knox thing? You checked it already or the other?
No, nothing. I have no idea if there's any gold in
What?
Fort Knox or not. I texted Elon, but you know he was busy with the Doge and firing people.
Guy, very busy guy.
Why is my position in drawdown, Adrian? Actually, your position
Because
now.
gold is playing, and we don't expect this pump on the dollar basket. This makes it a little bit difficult, but
Yeah, but if you look, gold hasn't dropped that significantly. It hasn't dropped yet.
the buy is
Despite-
still in play. We are still in play. We are still in play.
Good.
Well, we have our
Sehr
the
gut.
trend line here.
Okay. Where do I put my new qualification?
On the wall.
Yeah, but I have my degrees, my other qualifications. I'm running out of space. I need a new wall. Fuck me.
How much degrees, Thomas? How much
I
degrees
need,
you have?
I need a new office.
Build new house.
Are you building a house or you're building some apartments, right?
Yeah.
You can digitize them and just have them scroll on your screen there on the wall.
Yeah, that's a good one.
Or just tattoo it
You
on
can
my arm.
always start putting them on the ceiling.
Screensaver.
Tomasz, what background do you use when you stream your screens on YouTube? That's my office background. It's my actual office, so I can turn on the TV.
We can't see that because you have your screen set up.
Oh yeah, you can't see it. But someone asked me what screen do I use? So what background do you use? No, it's. Let me just show you on full screen.
You have a very tasteful office. That looks beautiful.
Thomas, is that
Beautiful.
the Samsung Samsung screen that you have?
Yeah, this is the Samsung 49-inch.
Yeah, the
I
nine,
had
right?
the other one, the cheaper one. Well, it wasn't cheap years ago, but now they came out, and look at the thickness of this monitor. Let me show you.
Have you sorted out your brightness and colors?
Look at this. Look at my finger and the screen.
Wow. 49-inch? Okay.
Yeah,
nice.
49-inch.
Which model? Precisely?
Samsung.
Samsung 49-inch? No. Normally they have.
It's the Odyssey.
Yeah,
Odyssey
this is-
G9
Odyssey
Neo.
G9.
What I like best is the lighting. You have very tasteful lighting around there.
That's actually, well, the Wi-Fi control just screwed up. I could control it with my Alexa, but we need to change the Wi-Fi control. Shut up, Alexa. And I can dim it.
Oh, nice.
And I can put, yeah, there's so many things you can change around. I can change.
Oh, I'm seeing myself in
the
the background.
Kelvin. I can do it like a cold light, or I can warm it up a little bit. But thank you for the compliment. I have my whiskey as well. Anyhow, let's go back. Is the position in profit?
No, Tomasz.
Yeah, very nice.
60 minutes to New York Stock Exchange open, guys.
Mike, you have a lot of screens, man.
He is in a trading pit.
Damn.
Yeah. A bit of overkill, but
How many screens do you have there in your office, Mike?
let's see, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay.
Any
So
iPads?
that-
Any iPhones?
And then I have my iPad here that I use to take notes on if I
Yeah.
take notes.
Fuck me, that's a lot of screens. I mean, I know you have a lot of hedging positions, so you need to
Yeah,
you need
gotta
to
keep
see
track
all
of
of them.
right?
Say the same thing. 8 different hedges, yeah.
It's overkill. I really only use
Yeah.
the four that are over here. These are just
So, got a question. Is your MyFX book public? Not yet. I'm gonna wait about 3 to 6 months. I'm building it up. And of course, if the results are good, I'm going to publish it. If not, then I'm not going to publish it, so I can continue.
Normal. Is everyone doing it?
Yeah. It's no, I'm just kidding. So, not many people showing the MyFX book. One of the main reasons I don't want to show is because psychology. So I decided one of the goals of 2025 is to have at least 6 months of trading history that I can confidently put out, and it doesn't show. How to say? So it's on YouTube, but I'm not gonna say that I want to hide anything from a certain government body. But basically, this money, and of course, every money is taxed 100%. We pay tax, right? You guys pay tax, I pay my tax. So I'm only confident to show.
In the Caribbean, right? So.
Yeah. So this amount, 100% taxed. So I'm happy to share it. But of course, the main reason I'm not gonna, put it out publicly yet, is because the psychology. That's the other reason why I don't do copy trading as well. Because first, if I do copy trading, I know how many people get burnt. Recently, one of the AlphaFX members as well, with copy trading, it's a completely different psychology. I'm confident to manage my own money, and if I make a loss, I don't have any problem. as soon as I make a loss for someone, if I press the button, if someone loses money, there's a different psychology, and I don't want that.
But you already, the public trader, you already have enough stress weight now. Like you
with the live trading,
robot.
try it for a week.
Yeah, I know. It's hard now. It's super hard.
Well, anyway, I do share the screenshots, so you can see this is the MyFX book. You can see it's real. It says there. Nothing has been changed. I know there is a way to change websites, but nothing has been changed. And I also, if you look at my, probably you guys can see it on the Zoom. So you have my MyFX book and my MetaTrader. If you look at the balance in MetaTrader, the equity, and look at the equity in MyFX book. This is a live feed. I think there's about 5 or 10 seconds delay, but look at the numbers. It's matching up, right? The equity in MetaTrader and the equity on YouTube, in the browser. More or less. There's a few seconds delay.
So it's not Photoshop, no?
No. No, you can see the number is moving and it's exactly the same number. So this one right here. 147.63. But because there's a
you let all your all your amount on the broker. You don't want to get it. Yeah.
What do you mean?
I mean, you have your money on the broker now, right? The 4CX.
Yeah, I'm with them for like 4 years.
Ah, okay. But do you don't want to withdraw or put your money somewhere else?
Why would I? I already made a withdrawal on my account, on this account.
Oh,
if you
right.
go to my FX book, if you scroll down, there's a withdrawal. Can you see it?
Yeah.
How much do you want me to withdraw? Do you want me to withdraw?
Million by the end of the year, Thomas.
Yeah, fucking reasonably. So I already made a withdrawal so people can see that this is a real account. I withdraw £5,000. But I don't understand the question. I don't want to take my money elsewhere. I'm happy with ForexC.
No, it's more like the risk that you let it on the broker. You never know what happens with the broker. More of that.
Yeah, but the same way you could say about your bank account.
Yeah.
Why don't you withdraw your bank account?
Leave it there.
Kind of trust that.
Leave it there.
Well, a bank account is typically insured by the government, right?
Yeah, something like that.
For a certain amount.
Broker is
business,
goes and you
they
get
can
an
declare bankruptcy or just disappear.
Yeah, but I know ForexC for many years now, and they won't disappear. I know where they live.
Yeah, exactly.
I actually do know where Andre lives. I've been to Cyprus. I visited them. I met with the CEO as well.
But he's the manager.
Yeah, so have I. I've met with the CEO of ForexC. He's a brilliant bloke. Honestly, very down to earth, very transparent.
Yeah, I mean, if someone is scamming or wants to scam people, you would not see them personally. And I know for a fact that Andre has met many of the members on the Dubai Expo, along with the CEO of ForexC.
Yeah. I know 2%. I don't know his name, but his name on Discord's 2%.
Joao.
Yeah.
Manjit.
Manjit, that's it. Yeah, Manjit.
When you go to the 4CX and you take the 50%
deposit bonus.
Deposit bonus, will it affect your withdrawal when you get some profits, or is no?
No.
Ah, okay.
Well, so you can't withdraw the bonus.
No, that's why you have to go. You have to.
You get a margin, but you can't withdraw the bonus. If you make profit, you can withdraw the profit, but as soon as you withdraw profit, that margin disappears.
All right.
So it's just there to help people to get extra margin.
Yeah.
Guys, I reduced my stop loss to 87.
Mother tucker. To 87. Wow, you got
Yes.
balls before market open.
Does anyone trade with
87?
I expect a little bit more to the upside, Tomasz. It's very
Okay.
slow.
Well, have a look on TradingView. Let me show you. It's the daily pivot is going to suck it up. It's only 200 pips away. It's
Mhm.
nothing for gold.
I know. I know.
That's TP.
And don't be too greedy, huh?
Yep. Well, it's already in 30 pips profit gold.
Mhm.
It's very reasonable.
Better than nothing, bro.
Hell yeah.
How much did you get in on USD?
Yeah, I did. It's on the screen.
It's a bit too small. I haven't got good eyesight.
What's on your head, Kai?
Oh,
Oh, sorry. It's your hair.
Curly locks.
yeah, these are awesome, man.
I like your hair, Kai.
Thank you, Doris.
I like
We
it
like
as
it
well.
too.
I like
We
it
like
as,
it too.
honest. A lot of people, a lot of young boys here in Dubai have the same style. Like,
Yeah,
Are they
a lot of
nuts?
Arabs.
Yeah, what was the take profit on gold?
97.
Depends on your Evan. It depends on your risk. When you go for 100 pips, so it's okay. For me, it's 50 is enough in this market conditions because there are a lot of confluences that point to a sell, in my opinion. That's why I reduce my stop loss and maybe I take some from the table. I don't know.
Yeah.
We catch a small buy, okay. When we catch the rocket, then it's okay. But at the moment,
Stop loss.
we're floating in profits. We're floating in profits, guys.
Correct.
This is just kind of a slow grind up.
Yes, this is I call it gold creeping.
Yeah,
This is this.
you're a gold creep.
Yes, this is gold creeping. But it looks good. 40 pips now.
Man, I just moved to C Trader. I don't like it, but I like MetaTrader more.
You will get used to it.
Yeah, I need to get accustomed to it. It looks nice, but
I've been using Trade Locker a little bit. One of my small accounts.
Busy with the funded account. And
I had an account with TradeLocker, and I was swinging a trade, and I woke up 2 days ago, and the stop loss and TP had disappeared, and I was in drawdown. I was like juggling to get back into it, and I just lost the account in the end. But I don't know what happened; it just disappeared. A bit of a glitch, I guess.
Oh. Stop loss got hit. There's a good with the profit out. Gold.
The Euro USD is exactly the same spike, but to the downside, like gold, like the DXY is crazy.
Correlation.
Yes, I know correlation, but sometimes
Euro USD is actually inverted DXY.
I bought it.
Well, you bought Euro.
Yep.
No, I don't bought Euro. I would to like sell Bitcoin maybe a little bit more to the downside.
Yeah, Bitcoin is doing discount at the moment.
Yes, but I think we have a little bit more space to the downside. I think the 78 level is very nice.
75 buy for margin.
Yes. 75, 78 is.
Yeah, sell your house, sell your kidney, buy Bitcoin.
Buy a donut.
First viewers of the YouTube stream never leave this.
Sell your kids. Sell your, no, hide your kids.
Hide your kids.
Cut your credit card.
Hello, Don.
Hello. Even you cut it, you can still use it.
All right, 2 minutes. 2 minutes until market open. Let me put some music on. La musica di Alphafax.
A break, please. Yeah, we need a pumping music to pump it up. Now it's off.
Too slow.
It's creeping. It's pumping.
It's creeping.
$50 seconds till New York open. Nine, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. And New York is open. And nothing happened yet. US 30 is going higher. Volume is slowly coming to the market.
After 30 minutes, the cocaine is kicking in at the brokers. And
Yeah, I think they're just having breakfast now.
Yes. Gin and juice.
Oh.
Yes, like yes, bro.
Scrambled eggs.
It's my
legendary steam, man.
Where they go? Oh.
No, my US 30 is not doing too well. Well, I've gotta close it down. I'm out of US 30 now. I think it's gonna go down, but I had to close it down because my exposure was just way too much. 12 lots, way too big.
How many lots? How much? 12.
12, yeah. That was overkill. On the other, yeah, I'm entering back in with 6 lots, but 12 was just too much, so I had to close it down. could have cut it in half. Now I'm thinking. But anyway.
Yeah. But only on the mobile, huh? Is it possible, or on the?
No, you can do it on your computer as well. You right click, and then you modify or delete.
Okay.
Yeah.
Oh no, sorry, close position. Let me check.
Modify it. But
No, modify. Yeah, I just closed it down. So if I right click, yeah. But anyway, it was in a loss. So I'm gonna call it a day, guys. Leave the rest of the day to you. Tomorrow, we will most likely live trade the PCE. It's going to be important tomorrow. For today, I wish you a relaxing evening and make sure you don't lose too much. Right? Thank you so much.
The gold.
Thank you, Thomas.
Okay,
Nothing, but I have
Thomas,
to. I have to go
Have a
because.
nice evening.
All the best.
Bye bye.
Thank you, mate.
Bye bye.
Bye,
Ciao,
Daddy.
ciao.
Thank you. Goodbye.
Thank you,
Bye
Thomas.
bye.
Take care. Bye.
Bye. Sell.
Bye.
Okay, Thomas.
And those of you who would like to join the Alpha FX community, I've got some good news for you. Go to alphafx.eu and enjoy a 50% discount only this week. I send a link into the YouTube chat and become a member. Get some morning briefings, live trading, full macroeconomic analysis with signals, access to my trades, and also you get the personal mobile number of Adrian, very good guy. I'm happy to share it with you. Thank you so much. Go to alphafx.eu and follow me on Telegram. Link below the video. Thank you so much. This is the Alpha FX.